take the run. Campfire fusion, firelight blazing, healthy live.
Now this is what's going on inside our earlier setup. As you can see, we have some pumpkins bursting out of the ground. Those have come from the compost. We're not gonna grow those. We're gonna till the soil and let them give us some more nutrients, as I won't be able to grow pumpkin in this small spot. And for the soil that is outside, as I said guys, it's really bad, it's really hard. So I know the pumpkin is not going to make it out there. So we're not gonna grow the pumpkin. So the soil that we got when we went to Henry, it is nice topsoil, feeling really good. So the plan is to use 3 to 4 bags that we have here, put inside here, and I'm going to use the fork, tilt the soil, and these half a drums. These half a drums, I'm gonna lay them alongside. I'm gonna place them on these metal cage to keep them off the ground, right? So I can monitor any insect, right? The ants and so on. I have a few here, and I have a tip I'm gonna show you guys as well in this video, so you can stay tuned to that. But I'm gonna use these to keep the drum off the ground. Now, when you look inside the upper drum, guys, you see where I place some holes to ensure that whenever we water, we get good leakage. We don't have the water stay inside the drum to rot the roots of whatever we plant. So, let me get started. I've completed setting up the half drums and the metal stands. This is how it looks. I got some pieces of blocks put under the feet of the metal stands. You know, through the rain, the water, etc., you don't want them to rust that easily, so just take them off the soil. But this is the look, guys. Tell me what you think. Put the 2 taller ones first. They're all set. We just need to get the dirt inside to steady them. Once the dirt is inside, they'll be good. But I'm loving the look. Comment and tell me what you think. And if this video inspires you, just give us a like, give us a thumbs up, right? And if you have not subscribed to Campfire Fusion, please do. So, what I'm gonna do first is I'm just gonna pour some of the topsoil that I got from in the hills in this here section. 3 to 4 bags, depending, not much, as I'm gonna use the remainder in the drums. Hopefully I fill all the drums. If not, then I'll definitely have to get some more. So I'm gonna pour this out now. So one bag. That's two. I'll get another. Three. And I think I'm gonna need for one more. So let me get one more bag. I want to take a big one. As a matter of fact, guys, you know what? As a matter of fact, I'm just gonna use the 3 because I'm looking maybe what is there is not enough to fill the half a drum, so I'm just gonna use the 3. I'm just gonna use a shovel, spread it out, try to spread it out evenly, and then from there you can see, guys, worms. Look, see a worm right here, so you know it's good. Let's try not to kill the worm. Yeah, so I'm just gonna spread this out as evenly as possible, then try to find if there's any large stones inside, get rid of those, and then I'm gonna use a fork, tilt the soil. So as far as the 3 bags, it's gonna stretch it out as best as possible. You can see there. So I'm gonna now pour out these bags, pour them out in the half a drums. See how many of the half a drums you can fill up. So let us pour out the first bag. Not looking bad. It's one bag. So the first bag, looking inside, just one bag, not bad. Just pour them all out. It's 2 bags. Getting out any debris that you know don't want inside here, and at the same time breaking down the soils that looks like this. You know, we're gonna try our best to get it as small as possible. These are stones. Get out the stones. So this here is the last bag of dirt, and as you can see, we've not even completely filled 2 half a drums, so I'm gonna need some more topsoil. So I'm gonna have to go back, get some more, so that we can complete filling these as well as these 2 over here. And any extra, I'm gonna use it to plant a fruit tree, or yes, anything else. I'm not going to tilt the soil again right here. I'm not gonna worry to tilt this soil. I'm just gonna wait until I get some more dirt, pour some on, then I tilt it. I have to use my old mortar board to catch the drum right there. It's gonna stay there till it is set. So we've come a far way thus far, doing some good work. So this is where we'd have left off before we got these. I'll just pick up from Henry. So I'm going to get them in, and yeah, show you the finished product. Tomorrow morning I'll video that part. Just cut the yard, pick up these. Tired now. Morning. So I got up early this morning and I've completed the task of emptying the box, the topsoil. Yeah, all the bags are empty, so I have enough soil here. As you can see, it's completely full now. Bless up Henry. And containers, took some out of there, mixed with the soil that I got from Henry. So this is now complete.